Again.
Nice and steady, man. Nice and steady.
What up, guys? This is Battery from Sons of Liberty Airsoft Group. Today I'm finally uploading my Copperhead footage, and I know, it's been a while. But hey, life gets in the way. Now, this is going to be a multi-part video. Still unsure just how many, but you'll see. This time I've been voluntold to be a medic, though weirdly enough, I did find it to be a pretty fun role to play. And this time I'm on PSA's side. Here in the beginning of Copperhead, you see us booking it to capture the Haji village, a point that our faction commander wants us to capture and hold for the rest of the event. Will we capture it? We'll wait and see, but the answer was pretty clear.
Oh, shit, your pistol. That's why I don't like lanyards. All right. All right. It's locked, or no? Yeah, it's locked. Back door's locked.
Go! You control it! Go! You control it! Go! Go!
Come on. Oh.
Building over there.
No, yeah, but I'm saying that they might go through the courtyard.
Yeah.
And then they'll have a visual on us from there because it's open. Maybe two of us should move to the other side of the... Yeah, let's go. Cover it. All right, I gotta watch out to see if there's anybody here.
Like a full squad.
Full squad?
Yeah. I'm moving into the compound right now. You see him? Yeah, I know we got friendly. You see him?
Yeah. I see him. Oh, I forgot. We're gonna have to go over.
Bunch of them on the building. The ones on the roof, the ones on the roof.
Yeah, I see him.
Rooftop! Rooftop!
Rooftop!
Rooftop!
One rooftop! All right, it's one rooftop.
They got us on the corner. They got us on the corner.
It's one rooftop, 2 houses down from you. 2 houses down, 1 on rooftop. It's a small corner. We could try going through the house. Oh, no one's gonna be in here. Yeah! Yeah! What is? No, it's clearing the house. It's clear. Hey guys, guys, Miles or Wyatt? Miles, Wyatt, would you? The house is clear. You can go. Hey guys, the house is clear. We can get a better angle to them from in here. All right. All right, I don't know if you want to watch that corner. I'm gonna go through the house. The house is, I already cleared it.
Other side of this wall, down the lane.
This side? Okay. Wait, I got a grenade.
Down there. I don't know where though.
Let me try this. Let me try to peek through it. Down this lane? Hey, try peeking. I'm a medic. I'll pull you back. Just give me the okay.
They're in the window watching this.
Oh, window. Then there's no way to get a grenade then. Down that hall, they're shooting through a window.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, down the wall, but
we also got these two guys over here on the roof.
yeah. Kind of doubt that I'll reach it, but
I see purple. Hey, I know you.
Hey, we got friendlies up here. Let's go. Let's go, you talk to.
Red line is red line.
Watch your left.
damn it. There we go.
Yeah. Our guys are behind the building. Our guys are going that way. They're kind of pushed back in the second step.
Guys, don't get afraid to get shot. We got medics on site. Push in. Get in there! Get in there!
Go, go, go!
You'll get picked up if you get shot! Go! Get in there!
Check the
I'm on
roofs.
my last life, let you know.
Check the roofs.
Yeah, I know I'm a medic, so I can't. Everyone's dead? Alright, what's your medic? Alright.
No, they're dead in that hole.
Alright, I'll start reviving people.
Yeah, I got you, Mario. He said, got one right behind you.
Alright.
Can you guys see anything? Hey, is there another medic over there? Yeah, I got. Hey, just help him get people.
Medic? Alright. There's a patch. I mean, you don't have any?
Where you go? I don't know.
Better hope I don't die.
Just hanging out. He's right here. He's right up there. He's right up there. Okay.
All right, Dragon.
Everybody take a door or a window.
What's up? I'm to the side. That's up. I'm on my last one.
Alright.
Let's go!
Who else is dead?
Line on the road. Go for it.
Cover me, I'm going in. Cover me.
Go. Don't just. Hey, stay there. I'll drag you back.
Green side.
Oh, come on. I would have revived you, man.
That's green.
Hey. What the hell? He just left. I was gonna medic him, but whatever.
Pushing, guys, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Right.
Got him down. Be careful, there might be more. Move, move. I got the door covered. Move. Go, go, go. I gotta be back here anyway. Go. Don't worry, I got that door covered in case if there's anyone in there.
Guys, where are they at?
We have one guy pushing in the
I'm covering the top door because somebody popped out of there.
Right above that orange?
Yeah,
garage
that.
door there in that one?
Well, somebody popped, that guy right there popped out of that one, but I don't know if there's any more in there. So I'm just covering. I gotta stay back anyway as a medic. Keep moving. Don't worry. Don't worry about getting hit. I'll revive you.
Hold on to position, guys. We need to know where.
Yeah, go, go.
Whoever chucked a grenade in there, that was a good throw.
Hey guys, it's Dusk. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this footage, and if you guys did, give it a like and give it a subscribe. And for more updated videos, and guys, just to let you know, the MK23 contest will start at 250 subscribers. This is Dusk from Sons of Liberty Airsoft Group.
Dude, are you still on the computer? I told you get off!
Well, I'm almost done, okay?
No!
What? No, look, you can literally see... Why?
Get off!
Just come look.
No!
Just come look. It's almost
You've
done.
been on it all
Just
day!
get. I gotta go.